What is a shader pass?
The passes are all about this is the specific code that I want to run. And we might have different passes, meaning that we are going to execute different programs on the same input. So we're going to render several times the same renderers. What's the structure of this? It's going to be a name, tags, commands, and shader code. Very similar to a subshader. Now, one subshader has to have one pass or more. And it's going to be executed like this. For each renderer, one pass means one render. So 10 passes means 10 renders. Let's see some examples. So this could be, for example, useful if I wanted to render some type of character. So I could have a renderer. So the normal way I would go about it is first to render the renderer normally, right? Just the opaque field, the character. That could be one pass. And then I could say, oh, you know what? I want to render an outline. Could be a different pass. We render the same character only with a different configuration so the outline glow around it. That could also be another pass. This is very flexible and it is also very expensive, but it is part of your job.